Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2013 Volkswagen Beetle, 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder, just service inspected. It drives excellent. A really nice little car. Only issue is a cosmetic issue. The tint here in the back is due to get changed out. We don't tint. We work on cars full service here. Tint is something we don't do, but besides that, cosmetically, she's in really good shape. Drives excellent. Fresh oil change, just serviced it. Take a look at the inside. Is really clean. Has leather, heated seats. Back seats like new. We'll go ahead and give her a start up. Has 96,841 miles. And if it's something you might be interested in, give us a call or text. Set up a time to come check it out. 228-438-2056. Or you could email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out our video. And if you need any service and you're in the South Mississippi area on an Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, give us a holler.